You're watching the WNN special report. Hurricane Lay continues to move towards the Panhandle for a second expected landfall later tonight. Currently, Lay is a Category 1 hurricane in the Gulf of Mexico. Lay blew through the western Florida coast several hours ago just north of Tampa. Late Sunday, Melbourne took a direct hit from Lay as a Category 4 storm with winds near 100 miles an hour. Hello, I'm Gil Williams. Our reporters are on the ground across the state and will bring you updates as they get them. Right now, we want to talk about another concern in Florida today, the continued fallout from Friday's train derailment and subsequent explosion in Jacksonville. WNN has learned at least 1,400 people have died. More than 900 are injured, dozens still missing. Well, WNN's Angie DeWile joins us now. Angie, I understand chemicals are still leaking from the train cars?
That's right, Gil. We are a safe distance away from the hazmat zone now in its fourth day, but dangerous toxic gas continues to escape from the damaged tanker cars. Dozens of people remain missing and may be trapped in the rubble from the collapsed Aetna building. First responders and the Florida National Guard are looking for the missing and attempting to contain the gas. However, those teams had to suspend operations late yesterday as Lay came ashore and are just now resuming their search for survivors and efforts to stop the leaking chemicals. Gil, many of those believed missing have been trapped for over 72 hours, which means finding more survivors is becoming more challenging. Ongoing efforts continue even as we're still experiencing very high winds here.
Thanks, Angie. Before we go, here's another look at the current watches and warnings for Hurricane Lay, expected to make a second landfall in the Panhandle later tonight. We'll stay with WNN for continuing coverage of Lay and Hurricane Kirk, which could threaten the U.S. in the coming days. For the World News Network, I'm Gil Williams.